When it comes to annoying problems on a Ford F-150, a busted blend door actuator is like that mosquito you can't seem to swat. You notice it because your vents blow the wrong temperature, no matter how you turn the knob. Welcome to the fan club. Literally. I've been there. One day your AC is an ice-cold Portland breeze, the next it's just belting out unwanted sauna vibes. For most people, the pain point is clear. Bad actuator, no climate control, and quotes of up to $800 at dealerships. That stings. Let's break this down. The blend door actuator is a $25 to $50 plastic gear and motor combo. Its only job, controlling whether you get hot or cold air. When it fails, your F-150's HVAC system throws a tantrum, and so do you, probably. Step 1, before you even start wrenching, is disconnecting the battery. Sounds basic, but F-150s trigger all sorts of warning lights if you skip it. I learned this the hard way, trust me. Resetting your radio presets isn't how you want to spend the afternoon. Most actuators are located behind the glove box. This means cleaning out a decade's worth of napkins, ketchup packets, and maybe that glove you thought you lost in 2016. Remove the glove box by pushing in both sides and let it drop down. Here's a pro tip that gets overlooked. Use a flashlight or your phone's camera on selfie mode to peek up under the dash and spot the actuator. On 2009 to 2014 models, it's a rectangular box held in by two 8mm screws. Prepare for some upside-down yoga. If you have big hands, strap in for a struggle. Ford did not consult the people of Portland, or anyone with average-sized hands, when designing this setup. An extension and a universal joint make the job easier. Magnetic tools help. Those screws can and will vanish. With the old actuator exposed, unplug the wiring harness. Here's where many DIYers slip up. Don't yank. Use a gentle prying motion with a plastic trim tool. The tab is fragile, and breaking it means stopping everything to buy a new connector. A classic facepalm moment. Swap in your new actuator and line up the blend door shaft. Sometimes you need to gently rotate it back and forth to get it seated. Don't force it. If it's off by a tooth, you'll get grinding noises and have to do it all over again. Screw everything back in place. Before you reassemble the glove box, reconnect the battery and turn the key to test the actuator. Cycle through hot and cold. Listen for movement. If the air temperature changes, congrats, you just saved several $100. A quick caveat. Some F-150s have multiple actuators. If you replace one and still get weird airflow, the problem might be with the passenger or recirculation actuators. Check your model year for specific locations. All told, you're looking at about an hour for this job if you take your time, and around $50 in parts. Compared to a dealer's $600 plus bill, that's a weekend win. If you want better videos of the process, use two phones, one lighting, one filming. Makes you look way more competent than me, Scott, on my first attempt.